These cookies are so delicious and come together so fast, your family is going to ask for them every night. Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki and we're cooking on the farm on Route 66. And today I am bringing you the easiest cookies ever, just 3 ingredients. Let's get baking. So all you need for these cookies is 3 ingredients. You need peanut butter, 1 egg, and a cup of sugar. I'm gonna put it in this bowl, mix it up, and it's gonna make the most delicious cookies you've ever had. Super simple, so when your kids come home from school or your husband comes home at night and is like, oh, I want something sweet, you know just what to make, because we always have peanut butter, sugar, and eggs in the house, don't we? So first thing I'm gonna put in is 1 cup of peanut butter into my bowl. And I'm using a spatula to dig it out. That'll just be easier for me, I think. Maybe. I'm gonna push it down in there. Who likes peanut butter? So growing up, my mom didn't think she liked peanut butter. And Alan's behind the camera, and I think he's gonna go tell our dog Missy to be quiet. Do you hear her barking in the background?
Yeah, let me see.
So we're gonna pause for a minute while I load this peanut butter. So I got 1 cup of peanut butter measured. Alan went outside and took care of Missy that was barking. Casey and a friend is actually outside, and so they took Missy down to the barn with them. But I'm gonna put this 1 cup into my bowl. I'll scrape it out because I want the full cup.
I had no idea when you made these really good peanut butter cookies that they were so easy.
They are super easy, and these are what I make all the time if I'm making peanut butter cookies. So, kind of crazy. So I have 1 cup of peanut butter in the bowl. I am going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. 3 ingredients. I guess I could add vanilla because vanilla makes everything taste better. But last time I added vanilla, everyone was like, that's more than so many ingredients. So we are sticking to the 3 ingredients this time. So I am going to just turn on my mixer and I'm gonna mix this up. Just like that. Pretty simple. Let's see if I can pop out my beaters. I'm gonna take that off so that all my dough goes out. Okay, that's what it looks like, you guys. This is so simple and smells so good. And Alan's behind the camera. Everyone say hi to Alan. And he honestly loves these, but he's like, where's the flour? There's not any flour, but these are really delicious and super, super fast. So I'm gonna show you how I put it on my cooking sheet. And I am using a cookie sheet tonight that's kind of special to me. It looks beat up and real well used, but it is because it's my mom's cooking sheet. And I'm not making a lot of cookies tonight. I can put some of this dough in the fridge for tomorrow if I want to. We just want something a little sweet tonight.
And it wasn't actually like a lid to it used to slide over the thing, but we've used it like a cookie sheet.
It's not a lid.
Are you sure?
Well, maybe it is, but my mom used this for years. My favorite thing, my mom would cook on this, and I will always remember it. She would make pies. She was a really good pie maker. And she would have leftover crust from the pie crust, and she would roll it out really flat and then put it on this right here and sprinkle it with cinnamon and sugar. And I loved that better than the pies my mom made. It was my favorite thing to eat when she would make pies. So you're right, it looks like it could be from a lid, from like a pan or something, but honestly, this is what she used to bake on for years. So now I get to use it. What do you guys think? Kind of cool that I'm using my mom's, or you agree with Alan, it looks like a lid? Because it kind of does. But I'm gonna use it tonight to bake my peanut butter cookies on.
She's being nice and not telling you it's because I used her nice cookie sheets and didn't get them back yet. But I will, I promise.
It's all Alan's fault. But I use this quite a bit to bake on. So I have my little cookie scooper here, and I'm just gonna scoop it up, pack it in there, and I am just gonna put it right down. But you know what, I forgot. I like to spray the pan because this doesn't have oil in it, and the peanut butter is a little oily, but I want to make sure they don't stick. So I'm going to get some spray pan and spray this really quick. Okay, now I'm going to load it up with cookie dough. Casey's outside with a friend, so I bet she would like some cookies as well. You want about 1-inch balls. And we are going to flatten them, so you don't want them too close together.
Do you flatten them with a fork?
Yep, you flatten them with a fork.
My mom used to let me do that.
Do you want to come do it for me tonight?
No, I'm good.
Ha, come on. Okay, I'm going to scoot these over a little. Okay, looks like 9's going to fit on there. You just push it down and crisscross. Just like that.
I always did it different though.
Okay, let me do
I'm
it.
totally joking. You're
You got
doing
me.
great.
I'm like, okay, how did you do it? Come show us how you did it.
You're doing it perfect, honey.
You're full of it. I love you. Cooking in the kitchen is kind of crazy when Alan's videoing behind the camera.
Yeah, sorry.
There you go. The oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. They're gonna go in the oven for 10 minutes. Like I said, 3 ingredients and super simple to make. But I was telling you earlier, I wanted you to comment below, do you guys like peanut butter? Like, peanut butter's been a staple in our home. Our kids grew up with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches or peanut butter and honey. But growing up, my mom didn't like peanut butter. So I never had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And now that she's a little older, she likes peanut butter. I'm like, Mom, she's like, well, I thought I didn't like it because I just really hadn't eaten it much. But we love peanut butter. Comment below, do you guys like peanut butter? Okay, let's get these in the oven. It's been 10 minutes and they are done.
Those look amazing.
Look at that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna let it sit here for just a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and, this is kind of silly, this is another thing my mom taught me, is growing up I never had a cookie rack, which I think that would probably be ideal and look really cool, but I don't have one now either. So we just open up some napkins and place it down, and I put the warm cookies right on here until they're cool and set up firm. So pretty simple. If you don't have a cookie rack, there's an idea for you. You guys, these smell
Now I know what to get you for your birthday, a cookie rack.
I don't know, because these work pretty darn good. But you can get it for me for my birthday if you want to, which is not till November, and I'll probably make lots of cookies between now and November. That's true. So let's go ahead and get these off. I am just gonna, look at that. These smell so good. They are so quick. They're delicious. Just 3 ingredients, which is really unbelievable that you can make cookies with just 3 ingredients. There you go. My makeshift cookie rack with my delicious peanut butter cookies, just 3 ingredients. Go buy an egg, sugar, or peanut butter, or better yet, go to your fridge and your pantry, because I'm sure you already have those ingredients. And you guys are going to love these cookies. They are super awesome. So I have some girls outside that are, look at this. You got to show them.
Okay, it's December and it's cold. And what are you doing outside?
Trying to not make the dogs bark.
No, but tell me what you're doing.
We made a redneck hot tub.
A redneck hot tub. It's like 20 degrees out here. Hi, Tori.
Hi.
Hey, Casey. Okay, Mom's gonna go down and video you guys.
Okay, we want some cookies
I'm
first.
actually thinking of each a cookie. That's what they want.
They both want a
They've
cookie.
been excited to try one.
All right, enjoy your
go.
redneck hot tub, and maybe we'll take you guys to show them how crazy.
3 ingredients. Just 3 ingredients.
Of course, Vicky talked me into coming too, but she said, "Dad, bring us hot chocolate."
Put our fire out.
It overflowed and put your fire out.
But we restarted it.
Okay, so explain the process of your redneck
Okay, we got some
hot tub.
tiles lifting our barrels up, and then we put our metal barrels with fire.
So you have fires underneath, water in the barrels, and wow,
You guys are nuts.
did you get this great idea?
From Blake. From Blake. That's who gave him this great idea.
Okay, is
wanna help us
it
build a fire in
getting
the
warm
middle?
at all?
It's not ice cold.
Isn't a redneck hot tub supposed to be hot,
It's
not
not dead. Cool tub.
a redneck cool tub?
Pretty
It's
cool,
no
huh?
wonder Tori's mom's like, what are Palmer's having you do this time? Well, it's at least kind of clean. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the cookies, and hopefully the cookies will go better for you than a redneck hot tub is going for these girls. All right, girls, what do you think?
10 out of 10.
These cookies are so delicious and come together so fast, your family is going to ask for them every night.